Alrighty, this one we're going to go over how to draw a woolly mammoth. I did a saber-toothed tiger a while ago, and I noticed I didn't do this animal. I don't know why. So keep requesting, like let me know in the comments, and that's kind of how I base my videos, is really in the comment section. So let me know. I would have never known I didn't do this till now. So let's jump into drawing the woolly mammoth. Hey, alrighty, so let's get started, and we're going to get through this, and it'll be fun and step by step. So let's get started. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna start with a woolly mammoth's eye. Curve over here, curve underneath. Simple eye. Gonna start, go over here to the ear. Curve out. Down here, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag here. So you got that furry ear with those zigzags right there. Line over here, kind of for that ridge of that ear. All right. Gonna go to the front of the face now. And I'm gonna pull a line kind of straight down over here on the flat, for the trunk. But I'm not gonna finish it. I'm gonna stop about there. And I'm gonna create a line here for the tusk. Line up, line up. And now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line here for the top of this tusk, all right? Curve up. Got that woolly mammoth tusk. Back up here. Line over here for the eye. Gotta fill that in. Down over here. Down over here for the trunk itself. Up, down. Underneath, up. Okay, we got that trunk there. And I'm gonna draw lines across the trunk here, so that it, just to show the texture of it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be posting 3 how to draw lessons on every topic you can imagine every single day, okay? So if you like this kind of stuff and you like doing this kind of thing, every couple of days or every day, absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, okay? What it's going to do is just going to give you a notification on what I'm posting. That's all it's going to do. And you can decide whether you want to go to the video or not that day, depending on how you feel. Line underneath for the bottom of the face. Now we're gonna get into the real different parts, right? For the most part, this is, other than the ear, it's kind of like an elephant, but I mean, it pretty much is just a hairy elephant. Now I'm gonna go over here and zigzag for the top of the head, right there. Show the furriness of that. And curve down just a bit over here. Now I'm gonna create a hump here on the back. I'm gonna create the body now. So over here, it's gonna start maybe toward the head, and I'm gonna go hump, zigzag on the way there. All right, because fuzzy. Gonna go over here to the front, back to the front here. Maybe pull this line up for the head, but in here, pull a line, zigzagging down the feet, out over here, down, out in that foot there. Flat ground, pull up, and as I go up, I'm giving a little bit of zigzag as well. Over here. Oops, daisy. Hit that paper. Zigzag over here for the back. Down for that foot as well. Kind of trying to make it along the same line here. Doesn't have to be exact, but exact would be good. Pulling back. And now I'm going to pull a straight line. Well, again, it's a zigzag line down here, but it's going to, the overall direction is going to be straight down. Let's go over here to the stomach. Around this area. Zigzag here. Go over here. Up for the tail. Up over here for the tail. It's not very big. And then kind of a fuzzy end to that tail. Over here on this side, down, out, in. All right, that's the far side leg. Going over here to this side, we're gonna pull the other leg, but we want it, I'm gonna go like this. See, it's gonna have like he's picking up his leg moving forward. Gonna go over here and put curved line right there for the nail. You can put like 1 or 2 or 3 across over here, but basically, you know, obviously everybody knows Wolly Mammoth is essentially, you know, like a fur fuzzy elephant. Let's draw a line over here just a little bit more, just draw a little fuzz maybe around the neck area. I'm gonna draw a little bag here under the eye, and maybe over here at the top, maybe for the brow itself. All right, and if you really want, as far as the fuzz itself goes, you can draw like stuff like this, zigzag here on the areas that, you know, the areas where it would be kind of fuzzy. And right here, just kind of really fuzz it up, you know. Just little thin lines. You can kind of put them here and there, just to kind of give it a overall fuzzy texture. And over here too on the face, little thin ones are like little thin. All right, and that is it. That's a Wolly Mammoth. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, don't forget to hit the like. The entire channel lives on likes. I mean, like, it lives on likes, the whole channel. So absolutely hit that like button if you can. Also go to other videos that you enjoy and hit the like as well after you watch it. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Share the video. Don't forget, I forgot to mention this, but I have a coloring book out now. It's called Sushi Cats. I'm gonna put the link in the description somewhere. So go check that out and pick one up if you like coloring. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna make another announcement right now about my personal Skillshare. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here.
Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.